Hello my dear friends, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Last time we have discussed about series LCR circuit, and in series LCR circuit we know very well the current amplitude was I naught equal to E naught upon Z or V naught upon Z or Vm upon Z, and always we want maximum amplitude of current. Always we want maximum amplitude, and for that maximum amplitude surely one quantity should be less. So which quantity is less I am describing here. Actually today we are discussing the phenomena of resonance, and that resonance in series resonant circuit. Series resonant circuit, it means today I am going to give you first of all what is resonance and what are the applications of resonance, and then sharpness also if we have time. Okay, so we know very well this is a series resonant, this is a circuit, sorry, this is a series LCR circuit in which capacitor is there, resistance is there, and they are connected with a source of EMF E or V, whatever we want. This is R, L, and this is C, correct? And in resistor you know very well there is no phase difference. Here current is here and this is voltage pi by 2. It means EMF is ahead of current, and in capacitor current is ahead. Current is ahead by 90 degrees. Right? Now what we need? We need maximum amplitude of the current in maximum circuits. Why? We have some tuning circuits in which LC oscillations are going on. And in LCR circuits, if resonance is there, it means when XL is equal to XC, then maximum current flows. It means amplitude of the current is maximum. In class 11th, I think you have learned about a child is swinging on a swing, and after each and every regular interval of time, the child pulls the ropes. And so if the frequency of pulling the rope is matches with the frequency of the swing, oscillation of the swing, then the child oscillates with maximum amplitude filter, and that we can use in our tuning circuits. We know very well here I naught, or if you want I naught also, it is equal to E naught upon Z. If you want to write V naught upon Z, if you want you can write Vm upon Z also, anything you can write. And Z you know very well, it is impedance of the circuit, XL minus XC ka whole square. So this is impedance. If Z increases, then current increases. Correct? So if we eliminate this, you know very well, let initially XL is greater than XC. XL is greater than XC, and you know very well XL equal to omega L and XC equal to 1 upon omega C. It means XL is directly proportional to angle omega, and XC is inversely proportional omega. Omega is angular velocity or angular frequency. Now what we want that this term should be cancelled out, ये हट जाए. So XL और XC को equal बनाना है. So what I am going to do, if omega decreases, so what happens? Then XL decreases, but XC increases because it is inversely proportional. तो ये डिक्रीज होगा और ये इंक्रीज, एंड कंटिन्यूसली वी आर डिक्रीजिंग ना ओमेगा, कंटिन्यूसली हम किसको करेंगे, देखिए we are decreasing omega, and a time will come when XL and XC are equal, and that frequency is known as resonant frequency. So at a particular frequency, at a particular frequency, say ओमेगा नॉट या ओमेगा और कुछ भी ले लो आप, XL is equal to XC. When XL is equal to XC, then Z is equal to R. Z is only equal to R here. किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, R के. So what happens after that? Then current amplitude is maximum here. So again I am describing you. We know that in series LCR circuit, in series LCR circuit, amplitude of current I naught or Im is equal to E naught upon Z, V naught upon Z, Vm upon Z. जो भी आप यूज करते हो आप कर सकते हो. Where Z is impedance. What is Z? It is impedance of the circuit. It means opposition offered by all the circuit devices, elements. This is equal to R square plus XL minus XC का whole square. So either XL is greater than XC or XC is greater than XL or less. So let initially XL is greater than XC, and XL is omega L and XC is omega C, 1 upon. So this is directly proportional omega and this is inversely proportional. Now what happens if omega decreases means we are decreasing omega, then XL decreases but XC increases, and at a particular frequency say omega naught and omega R, XL is equal to XC, उस समय Z is equal to R हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा, Z is equal to R, and then this phenomena is known as resonance here, and the circuit is called series resonant circuit. How? So at omega equal to omega naught or omega R, Z is equal to R and I naught is maximum. I naught is maximum. Maximum current मिलेगा हमें, and the circuit is purely resistive. And circuit is purely resistive. Purely resistive हो जाएगा. Z is equal to R. Numerical में भी sometimes they are asking. So ऐसे सर्किट को बोलते हैं सीरीज रिजोनेंट सर्किट. व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, सीरीज रिजोनेंट सर्किट. तो मैं डेफिनेशन लिख के बताता हूं आपको कि ये हुआ क्या है. सो ए सर्किट, सॉरी, ए सीरीज LCR सर्किट in which maximum current flows at a particular frequency, at a particular frequency, say ओमेगा नॉट और ओमेगा आर. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम, रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी. A series LCR circuit in which maximum current flows at a particular frequency, say at omega naught or omega r, is called series resonant circuit. Is called series resonant circuit. This phenomena is called resonance. This phenomena is called resonance. It means what happens at resonance? At resonance, circuit is purely resistive and maximum current flows. So at resonance, XL equal to XC, Z equal to R, and maximum current flows. Maximum current flows. And this is the condition of resonance. This is the condition of resonance, and generally it is asked in the examination. So I am going to give you again the condition of resonance. ये तो शायद आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. फिर से बता देता हूँ. If you have any doubt or problem, a series LCR circuit in which maximum current flows at a particular frequency, say at omega naught or omega r, resonant frequency कहते हैं, is called series resonance circuit, and this phenomena is called resonance. Resonance is, we have already learned in cyclotron also. In cyclotron, when the frequency of the electric field matches with the frequency of the particle, then particle moves with maximum velocity, and kinetic energy becomes maximum. But here it is different. Here current increases and amplitude is maximum when XL equal to XC or Z equal to R. And remember, this phenomena only happens in LCR circuit. If circuit is RL or only LR circuit, then this phenomena is not appears there. And what is the use of this LCR, series resonance circuit? It is used in tuning circuits. When we are tuning a station in radio or in television, you know very well many channels, Radio Mirchi 98.43 or GTV, Sony TV, many TV frequencies are there. अब हमको तो सोनी देखना है या जी देखना है. So we are changing the value of the capacitor with the tuning circuit. जो हम circuit को tune करते हैं in our mobile, in our radio, then we are changing the value of capacitor, and at a particular frequency XL equal to XC हो जाता है, and then it matches with the frequency of the signal, Sony signal, and then Sony signal will appear inside. This is the reason. ये मतलब क्या खेल हुआ कि एक दरवाजा बंद है, दरवाजे के बाहर कोई आया है, दरवाजे में अपने आप खुलता है वो जब रेजोनेंस होता है, तो हम उसको कहेंगे कि हम डांस कर रहे हैं, तू भी डांस कर, दोनों डांस करेंगे. और जब दोनों के डांस की, दोनों की नेचुरल फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम हो जाएगी, तो दरवाजा अपने आप खुल जाएगा. कहते हैं ना, किसी से आपका दिल मिल जाए, दोस्ती हो जाए, वो तभी जब आपके दिल के तार मिल जाते हैं, तो रेजोनेंस होता है, तभी आप किसी से अच्छी दोस्ती होती है या प्यार होता है, नहीं तो नहीं होता. Resonance is very important in our life also. So at resonance, you know very well, this is, so मैं condition of resonance बताता हूँ आपको कि what is condition of resonance, because condition of resonance is asked in the examination. So condition of resonance, and what is condition of resonance? It is XL equal to XC. ये 1 मार्क्स मिल जाएगा आपको. या आप क्या लिख सकते हो, ओमेगा नॉट L इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन ओमेगा नॉट C, और यू कैन राइट ओमेगा R L इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन ओमेगा R C. तो देखिए ओमेगा नॉट इधर आ गया, so omega naught equal to 1 upon under root LC, and you know very well omega is 2 pi nu naught, this is 1 upon under root LC, so nu naught equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. This is the frequency of oscillation. अब आप कहोगे ये क्यों निकाला? आपके घर में इन्वर्टर हो सकता है, या आपने देखा भी होगा इन्वर्टर जब लाइट चली जाती है, तो इन इन्वर्टर a LC circuit oscillates with resistance, transistor is also there, and what happens, that circuit is known as tank circuit, and it oscillates, and प्रोड्यूस ए फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 50 हर्ट्ज AC फॉर अस, यानी वो 12 वोल्ट या 24 वोल्ट DC लेता है और उसको AC में कन्वर्ट करता है. A circuit which converts DC into AC is called oscillator, and a circuit which converts AC into DC is known as rectifier. दोनों अलग अलग चीजें. तो in our inverter circuit, this is the frequency of oscillation we are generating, and it depends upon the value of L and C. This is a tank circuit. तो ये फार्मूला यहाँ आया, देखिए कंडीशन ऑफ रेजोनेंस से. तो मेरे बच्चों, condition of resonance is this, this. Anything you can write. Correct? So now you know very well what is resonance. Resonance occurs or appears in series LCR circuit, and current amplitude is maximum at a particular frequency when XL is equal to XC, and then that circuit is known as series resonant circuit. And at resonance, circuit is purely resistive and maximum current flows. I think you are getting my point. And with this, we can complete the resonance. And after that, in the next one, I am going to give you sharpness of resonance. It means, is there anything which affect resonance also? या रेजोनेंस की फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है कि वी हैव टू फाइंड द पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इफ वी आर टेकिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी व्हिच इज वेरी क्लोज टू रेजोनेंट और मे बी जस्ट मोर और लेस, इज दैट अफेक्ट द करंट और वी विल गेट द करंट maximum or maybe nearly equal to maximum. So that is known as sharpness of resonance, selectivity factor और Q factor also. तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, उसमें ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस नाउ Q फैक्टर, या चलिए काम करते हैं. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. सो प्यारे बच्चों, घर पर रहो, खुश रहो, मम्मी पापा की सेवा करो और प्यार करो उनसे, और उनसे प्यार लो. कम्युनिकेशन गैप ना रखो. Whatever I am giving you, please read it very carefully and write also. Without writing, you will not get anything in your life. सिर्फ मोबाइल देखकर आप जीवन में आगे बढ़ नहीं पाएंगे, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. सो ऑल द बेस्ट प्यारे बच्चों, खुश रहो. थैंक यू.